the CBI to take over the probe. The probe has now been transferred to the Central Bureau of Investigation. That's the big story that we are breaking at this hour. The Kolkata hospital rape and murder case matter to now be probed by the CBI. The High Court has ordered the matter to be shifted to the CBI. Remember, the police in Kolkata, the West Bengal police, is probing this matter. And it was a demand that this matter be probed by the CBI. There were PILs to this effect in the court as well. The West Bengal Chief Minister herself had indicated that if there is no breakthrough, then she would in fact be happy to let the CBI handle this matter. But even before that, the High Court has ordered for this matter to be probed by the Central Bureau of Investigation. This has been one of the demands of the protesting doctors. Essentially, the Kolkata High Court has ordered now the CBI to take over the rape and murder probe of the 31-year-old doctor. Nalini Sharma getting in more details on that story. This has been a demand of the doctors. Take us through what the court essentially has said, Nalini, about this matter being transferred to the CBI.
Yes, Neha, so the order has just been pronounced by the bench headed by the Chief Justice of the Calcutta High Court. And what they've said is that the administration and the state government, it seems, were not with the victim and the family. And there are clear lapses in the probe even after 5 days since the incident has happened. There has been no real progress in the investigation itself, which is why it is important in public interest to transfer the probe to a central agency so that an independent probe in the matter can be conducted. They have also gone ahead and said that all the documents regarding the probe need to be transferred to the CBI by the state police at 10 a.m. tomorrow, including the entire CCTV footage, along with all of the 27 statements that have been recorded. The order has just been pronounced. We still have to wait for the detailed order to see whether or not it will be a court-monitored CBI probe, whether the court will constantly be looking into the case, because the hearing has been adjourned for 3 weeks now. But tomorrow morning, 10 a.m. is when the CBI is going to officially take over the probe, get all the files from the West Bengal police and start investigating in this matter so that an unfair and unbiased probe can happen to get to the bottom of this. The court has also highlighted, very important thing, the court has also highlighted that it was very odd that an unnatural death case was registered and that nobody from the hospital actually went ahead and lodged an official complaint in the case, because of which the police have registered an unnatural complaint. They've also wrapped the West Bengal government for appointing the principal to another college after he tendered his resignation from the R.G. Kar college. And they said this is very unsettling what has been done. And there was no reason, there was no tearing hurry to appoint him in another college. Rather, he should have been relieved of all the duties. So the state government has also got a rap from the High Court. It remains to be seen what happens tomorrow once all the files are handed over to the CBI and how soon the CBI can actually start their investigation into the matter.
Wrapping the West Bengal government, Nalini, the court essentially has said that in the last 5 days there's been very poor or very little progress. There's been in fact a lot of chatter and conversation around the fact that it's impossible that there was one person behind it. In fact, students have been saying that this is a gang rape, and that's the reason why we don't believe what the police is now saying, the police is doing.
Well, absolutely. In fact, during the course of the argument, the state government argued on the lines of saying that there was absolutely no delay from their end during the investigation. And there is nothing that they have done to delay the investigation in any manner. But at the same time, the court is not satisfied with the investigation. The court, on the other hand, has said that, in fact, there has been no progress in the investigation for the past 5 days, which is why it is important in larger public interest and to ensure that the victim gets justice. It's important to bring in a central agency that can now take over this probe. In fact, the court has also gone into several past decisions, including that of the Supreme Court, where they have spoken about how a central agency can be brought in when it is an issue of larger public interest and any dissatisfaction from a state agency in conducting a probe. That's exactly what's happened in this case. Additionally, questions are also being raised on the state government as to why they appointed the principal who tendered his resignation from the R.G. Kar college to another college with such a tearing hurry. What was the reason to appoint him? Because the court has gone ahead and said that he should ideally have been relieved of all his duties and he should have been let go. But that is not what happened. So questions are directly also on the Mamata Banerjee government to explain why were they not standing with the victim and the family because the court in as many words has said that it seems like the administration was not with the victim and not with her family. So several questions being raised even on the administration, on the state police, on how they conducted the investigation, and there are more details expected to emerge out of this entire case once the CBI officially steps in. So tomorrow 10 a.m. is the time that has been given to the state police to hand over everything, all the evidence, all the statements that they've collected, all the CCTV footage, and then it remains to be seen exactly what is it that the CBI unearthed through their probe into the matter.
All right, Nalini, getting in those details, an important development today. The case now has been handed over to the CBI and the case diary is going to be given out to the CBI. All the CCTV footage, statements to be handed over by 10 a.m. tomorrow, tells us Nalini. The hearing after 3 weeks is the information that she has with her at this point in time. The administration was not with the victim or family of the victim. And Surya Agni, the High Court has also wrapped the West Bengal government, asking some very pertinent questions as to why there was not much progress Surya Agni made over the last 5 days or so in the investigation. The probe has now been transferred to the CBI, as many doctors are speaking with us, were telling us, isn't it? They were demanding that.
Well, Sneha, I'll tell you, I'll give you, an insight on what the students are thinking. We spoke to one of the leaders over here, student leaders. We asked him that, it's been transferred to the CBI. They said that they will speak and they'll speak to various other students in a GB, that's a general body meeting, which might happen today evening, late evening, and following which they will, only then they can say whether they'll be happy with the CBI's investigation or not. Secondly, still now, the students are of the opinion that they want an inquiry of the highest order. A neutral inquiry is something that these students want. That's why they were, citing a judicial inquiry. Now, now coming back to your question, Sneha. If we look at what the High Court has said, it has seriously, taken on the West Bengal government's way of procedure in the past 2 to 3 days, ever since this murder rape happened. They have, the West. Initially, when we heard of the, the court proceedings, we could have a sense that the court is not really happy with the way the principal, being, even after him resigning, he was made a principal of another prestigious hospital come medical college. That itself was clear that the court was not really, happy with the way things were done, especially with the principal's role in this. They have wrapped the principal's role in it. They have also taken on the West Bengal government for its role in this particular incident. They have handed over the case to the CBI. These students, they are still here. They are still protesting. What we'll do is we'll try and speak to some of them who are here. CBI inquiry, High Court দিয়েছে এবার তাহলে কি বলবেন সরি সিবিআই এনকোয়ারি দিয়েছে
হ্যাঁ তো আমরা এটা নিয়ে খুবই খুশি আমরা প্রথম থেকেই জুডিশিয়াল এনকোয়ারির কথা বলেছিলাম কারণ রাজ্য প্রশাসন যে রকম ভাবে চলছে তাতে আমাদের কোনোদিনই বিশ্বাস ছিল না যে আসল যারা দোষী তারা ধরা পড়বে তো আমরা এটাতে ওয়েলকাম জানাচ্ছি আমরা খুব খুশি
ইনভেস্টিগেশনে ভরসা ছিল
না ভরসা ছিল না তার কারণ পুলিশ প্রথম থেকে জিনিসটাকে ডাইভার্ট করার চেষ্টা করছে আত্মহত্যা বলে চালানোর চেষ্টা করেছে সার্কামটেনশিয়াল এভিডেন্সের ভিত্তিতে অ্যারেস্ট করেছে প্রকৃত এতটা সময় চলে যাওয়ার পরও আর কাউকে অ্যারেস্ট করতে পারলো না কোনো এভিডেন্স সামনে নিয়ে আসতে পারলো না
So it's clear the students are of the opinion that they didn't really have much faith in the investigation that was being done by the police. That's the reason why they claim that they wanted a judicial inquiry. Right now, a CBI inquiry has come. Some of them are happy that, it's being handed over to the CBI. All these students want right now is a very neutral investigation. Now, after a general body meeting, which will happen maybe late evening or maybe at night over here, that will include many student bodies from various colleges. Only then, they will come out with an official statement. Will this protest continue? Because they have been demanding a judicial inquiry. This is a CBI inquiry. But yes, somewhere the students were not really happy with the way the police was functioning. So some of them, they are content with the fact that it's being moved from the hands of the West Bengal, of the Kolkata police, and it's been given to another investigating body. Back to you.